Hello students, you're welcome to JAMB Maths. In this video, I'll be tackling the questions that came out in the JAMB 2024 Mathematics examination. So stick with me as we proceed to the end of the video, and I can assure you that you're going to gain a lot of things. So let's take the first question, to evaluate the determinants of this matrix here. So the first thing you want to do is to write plus, minus, and plus at the top of the numbers. Okay, then you pick out the first number there, which is 3. So when you pick out your 3, you're going to write 3. Then you open a bracket like this. Okay, then the next one is minus, then you put in 4. Open another bracket like this. I'm going to tell you what will be in the bracket later. The next one is plus, then 6. Then plus 6. Open another bracket like this. Let's get what will be in the bracket. So to get what will be in the bracket, you just have to cover the row and column of that number involved. So we have 3 here. So we're going to cover the row and column, like cover the 3 like this and cover it like this. So it remains just these numbers here. That's 1 minus 1, 3, 5. So that's what will be here. 1 minus 1, 3, 5. So we do the same thing for 4. You cover your 4, you're going to have, this is 4 here, cover it like this and cover it like this. You're going to have 2 minus 1 minus 1, 5. So this will give you 2 minus 1 minus 1, 5. The last one is for 6. So you cover your 6 like this and like this. You're going to have 2, 1 minus 1, 3. Okay, so 2, 1 minus 1, 3. So the next thing is to find the determinant and finish it up. So you multiply like this and subtract like this. Don't forget, multiply like this and subtract like this. So let's do that. That'll give you 3. So 5 times 1, that's 5. 5 minus, then 3 minus 1 is minus 3. So this minus 3 here. Then minus 4. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, 10. Then minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. Plus 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So to give you 6 minus 1 times 1, that will give you minus 1. So let's finish it up. To give you 3 into, this is plus here, minus times minus is plus. 5 plus 3, that will give you 8. Minus 4 into 10 minus 1 is 9. Plus 6 into, this is 6 plus 1, which is 7. So let's finish it up. So we have 24 minus 4 times 9 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. So just add this, just add it and subtract and finish it up. So 64. So 24 plus 42, that will give you 66. Then subtract 36 from it. That will give you 30. So the determinant is 30. So you can just choose it in the option there. You can see that's 30. So the next one, find the amount of if simple interest is paid yearly at 5% per annum. Okay, for 3 years on the principal of 200,000 naira. So normal formula of simple interest now. So just have I equals to PRT over 100. So your P is 200,000. You can see it here. So 200,000. So multiply this by the rate. The rate in the question is 5. The time is 3. Then divide this by 100. So this one will cancel this one. So you have 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2,000. That's what you have. 15 times 2,000. So this will give you 30,000. So you see it here, option B. Now if next one, if y is inversely proportional to x, if y is inversely proportional to x and y is equals to 4 when x is equals to 1 over 2, to find x when y is 10. In proportion, there is a simple formula you can use for inverse proportion. Anytime you're doing inverse proportion, just use this formula. Just take what is involved. You have y and x, right? So since it's inverse relationship, you're just going to do y1, okay, x1 is equals to y2, x2. Very fast. You get the answer faster. Instead of writing y is proportional to x1, then putting equals to k, to take some time. So just do it like this. Okay, so let's take the value of y1. Y was 4 in the beginning. So that will be y1. So you have 4 times. Then what was x1? X1 is half. 4 times half is equals to y2 is now 10. Looking for x2, which is second x. I don't know that one yet. So this will give you 4 times half. Okay, that will give you 2 when you cut. So this will give you 2 equals to 10 x2. From here you can find your x2. X2 will just be 2 divided by 10. 2 divided by 10 is 1 over 5. Okay, so that will be the value of x2. So you can just pick it from here. Next one is 16 raised to the power x is equals to 0.25. You have to solve this. So an easier way is to first of all convert this right hand side to a fraction. So 0.25, the same thing as 25 divided by 100. So if you convert that, you're going to get 16 raised to the power x. 16 raised to the power x is equals to 25 over 100. So 25 over 100 is 1 over 4. Now you have to write 1 over 4 in indica form. So when you have 1 over 4 like this, you can write it as 4 to the power minus 1. Okay, so that will be 16 to the power x is equals to 4 to the power minus 1. Then break 16 down. Okay, 16 is 4 times 4, that's 4 squared. So this will be 4 raised to the power 2. Then there's x here. And the bases are the same. You can see the bases are the same. 4 will cancel 4. So you have 2x is equals to minus 1. You have multiplied by 2 like this. Then you have your x as minus 1 over 2. So that will be the answer for x. You can go to your options and just check it there. So that will be the answer. S equals to minus 1 over 2. Then for this next one, we are told that the ratio of men to women in a 20-member committee is 3 to 1. So the total number of people in the committee is 20. And the number of men, the ratio of men to women is 3 to 1. So how many women must be added to the committee to make the ratio of men to women 3:2? So the first thing to do is to first of all check how many men were there or are there originally. So first of all add this ratio, that will give you 4, right? 3 plus 1 is 4. Now to know how many men are there, you have to do, the ratio for men is 3. So you pick 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So you put 4 under here times, multiply this by 20. To know how many women are there, the ratio for women is 1. So you do 1 over 3 plus 1 is 4. Multiply this by 20. When you solve this, you get 15. If you solve this, you get 5. 15 plus 5 is 20, okay, which actually follows the question. So they're asking you how many women should be added to make the ratio 3 to 2. So you need to add something to this guy. That's the number of women, x. So the ratio of men to women now should be 3 over 2 from the question. As you can see here. So what will x be? What will s be to make that possible? So the number of men is 15 as usual, divided by the women now is 5 plus x. This will be 3 over 2. So let's cross multiply like this. So 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times x is 3x. So let's solve this. 30 minus 15 is 15 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. So x is 5. So 5 women should be added to make the ratio 3 to 2. So the number of women should be 5. Now let's move to the next one. Which of the following is a measure of central tendency? So measure of central tendency are actually 3 of them. You have mean, you have median, you have mode. So just 3 of them. Any other one apart from these 3, they are called measures of dispersion. Okay, so the answer here is which of them is following is a measure. So that means the answer is mean. Because this remaining 3 here, they are measures of dispersion. For this next one, we are told that in how many ways can 6 people sit around a table? So this is under permutation. Permutation in a circle. Whenever you are doing permutation around a circle, okay, the formula to it is n minus 1 factorial, where n is the total number of people involved. So n in this question is 6, so just put it here. That will be 6 minus 1 factorial. That will be 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times. So you times everything like this, you're going to get 120. So there are 120 different ways for them to sit down. So come here, pick 120 Alright, so let's go to the next one. For this next one, we're told that let A, this is matrix A, this is matrix B. So you are told to find A plus 2B. A plus 2B. So there's a scalar here, 2 in front of B, that is multiplying B. So first of all, use 2 and multiply everything in B. That's the meaning. So if you use 2 and multiply everything here, it will be 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4, 8, this one will be minus 4, 2 times minus 3, that will be minus 6, you have 6, 2 times minus 1, that will be minus 2. So this is already 2B. So you have to add it, you can see, you have to add it to A. So you're adding it to A, this is A here, 2 minus 4, 3, 2 minus 4, 3, 5, 1, 0, 5, 1, 0. So you are doing this addition. So if you add this together, just add them according to their positions. These 2 will marry these 2 here. This 8 will marry this one here. So that's how you add them. So this 2 plus this 2, okay, that will give us 4 to start with. Okay, 8 minus 4, that will give us another 4. Minus 4 plus 3, that will give us minus 1. Minus 6 plus 5, that will give us minus 1. 6 plus 1, that will give us 7. Minus 2 plus 0, that will give us minus 2. So this is the answer here. So the answer is 4, 4 minus 1. Okay, 4, 4 minus 1. Minus 1, 7 minus 2. So you need to have 4, 4 minus 1 at the top. So 4, 4 minus 1. Okay, that's option A. 4, 4 minus 1, as you can see here. So 4, 4 minus 1. The answer is option A. So let's move to the next one. So if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button. Okay, as we proceed, let's go. The next one is the sum to infinity of a GP is 100. You have to find the first term if the common ratio is half, minus half rather. So you need to first of all know the formula for the sum of a GP. That is S infinity is equals to A divided by 1 minus R. So that's the formula. So bearing that in mind, you can see the sum to infinity in the question, that is 100. You can see it's 100 here. So just write 100 is equals to, then your A is what you are looking for, A divided by, then the common ratio is minus half. So that will be 1. Since you have minus half, this place will become plus, because here is actually negative. 1 plus half. So you have 100 equals to A over 1 plus half means 1.5. So just cross multiply from here. If you cross multiply, A will be equals to 100 times 1.5. So if you times this, you're going to get 150. So the value of the first term is 150. So you can check it from here. So 150, like that. Okay, so let's move on. So the next one here is a very important one. So we are told that in a triangle, we are told that PQR is a triangle, so that PQ is equals to QR. That means they have the same length, and the value is 8. And QPR is 60 degrees. You have to find the area of the triangle. So if you do a rough sketch of the question, it will look like this. It's PQR. So PQ and QR are the same. So that's 8, 8. So PQ is 8. QR is also 8. Okay, and QPR is 60. Alright, QPR, that's the angle at P. The angle at P here is 60. So this place is equal to this place here. Okay, because PQ equals QR, and the angle at P is 60, so here is 60. So if this place is 60, this place too will be 60, because those are base angles of isosceles triangle. Now if these two places are 60, like that was 120 when you add them together, then if you remove from 180, which is the sum of angle in a triangle, you're going to get 60 here too. Okay, that means the angle that is in between these two sides that's actually given is 60. So once you have that angle, just use the formula for the area of a triangle. So the formula for the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 AB sine theta, where AB are the two given sides. So if you look at this question, the two given sides are 8 and 8. This side here, these are the two given sides. So the angle in between them is 60. So we just want to multiply 8 times 8. Then we do the sine of the angle that is in between them. So let's do that now. That will be half times, this is A is 8, B is also 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. Then sine, the angle that is in between them is 60 degrees, sine 60. So sine 60 is root 3 over 2. But 64 divided by 2, as you can see here, is 32. So you have 32 times root 3 divided by 2. This 2 will cancel here. Here will be 16. So the answer will be 16 root 3. 16 root 3. That will be the area cm squared. So check it in the option. You can see it here. 16 root 3 cm squared. Okay, I hope you get it. Let's go. From the next one, I told that from the top of a building 10-meter high. Okay, from top of a building 10 meter high. The building is 10 meters. Let's assume this is the building here. The building is 10 meters high. The angle of elevation of a fruit. So someone's at the top of the building looking at a fruit on a tree. So the height of that tree is 25 meters. And this is normal ground here. This is normal ground. So the height of that tree will be on the normal ground here. So the height of the tree is 25. That means here will be 25. And the person is looking at the tree. This is the person's eyesight. The line of his eyesight rather. Then this is the horizontal line here. So the angle here, we are told that is 30. So you have to calculate the horizontal distance between the building and the tree. So this is building here. This is the tree here. This whole height is the tree. So you can easily see that if here is 10, this place too will be 10. And if that's true, this place will be 15, because 25 minus 10 is 15. So the triangle will now be this small right angle triangle that is here. So you're looking for this place, x. So this place is 15 now. So all you have to do is find this distance, which will be the same thing as this place. So if you do that, you're going to get, you can use your tan. So you can say tan. You can say tan, as you can see it here. As you can see it from here, you can see this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. So tan 30 is equals to 15 over x. Okay, so tan 30 is equals to 15 divided by x. I'm looking for x. 15 over tan 30. 15 over tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So you need to memorize tan 30, sine 60, sine 45. You need to memorize those values you want to do when you're mathematics. So if you simplify this further, you just get 15 root 3. Okay, 15 root 3. So that will be the answer, the horizontal distance. So from here you can see 15 root 3.